In this video, Asaf from PPC Winner is sharing some tips for Amazon sellers, what they should do with their PPC campaigns during the holiday season. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe below to the YouTube channel of Orange Klik and click the notification bell, because here we share a lot of videos with different Amazon experts and service providers, as well as with event organizers. Now, enjoy our conversation. Hello, Asaf. So can you please tell us what you will be sharing with us today?
I'm going to share some tips how to increase your ecos on the holiday. No, I'm kidding. Not how to increase your sales during the holiday season. Many sellers are waiting for this period of time. It's the best period of time to be in Amazon. So I'm going to share with you some tips how you can increase your sales and how to generate more revenue that will get you to buy your own island.
All right, so everything sounds good, so let's jump to the slides.
I want to help you to prepare your Amazon business for the holiday season. So briefly about me, I'm from PPC Winner. I'm an advertising specialist and responsible for the business development in PPC Winner. PPC Winner is a fully automated software that creates and manages your advertising on Amazon. So it's been used by different sellers, it's using by private labels, it's been using by different agencies, but we are here to learn about tips for the holidays. Okay, something that you need to prepare before the holiday, even when holiday is already there. I think that one thing that we learned from our experience, that you have to update your listing according to the holiday spirits, to meet the holiday spirits. Update your title, update the header, check different keywords that meeting the holiday spirit and fitting to your product, and update it accordingly. Check all the description, check the bullets, try to enter some kind of different phrases and different sentences that describe how your product is related to the holiday season. It will be very helpful. People, potential shoppers like to buy, and they like to have the connection between the holiday to the product, because when they buy a gift, they want to, it will be related to the holiday. Update your picture. Try to enter some spirit holiday pictures and images, like you see here with the box and the tree over there on the back. So make it special, make it unique. People like to create this emotional feeling for the holidays, and of course, relating to the product. Go and update your converting keywords. Check your PPC campaigns. Check your download the reports for Amazon. Check which keywords is converted for you during the last quarter or the last 2 quarters, and update on your description and the bullets these keywords. It will help you increase your organic sales. The SEO will work better in Amazon algorithm, so you get better conversion and organic conversion. One thing that's very important is check your competition. Check what your competitors are doing. And again, you need to identify who is your competitors. Depends on their life cycle. Okay, if you're just launching a product, look for competitors that recently launched a product. If your product is mature and selling long time, over 1 year, 2 years in Amazon, check other related products that competing with your product, and see what activities they are doing in order to set up your strategies and make it better. Try to always think about what your competitors are doing and try to do it better. So it's also relating to your pricing. It is very important. Many people and many shoppers think that during the holiday season, you need to decrease price. No, it is an opportunity for you as an Amazon seller to increase your prices, because shoppers are buying everything during the holiday season. People are looking for presents, people are looking for any type of gift they can use, and they buy not to relate to the price, they buy relate to their needs. So the shopping is very impulsive. So check up your competition, try not to go over your competition, but try to update your pricing and increase your pricing, okay? It's all related to your product and your competition. And if you didn't start it, set up a PPC campaign. It will help you to increase your sales. It will help you increase your sales organically. And going specifically about PPC campaign, because this is our business, we do recommend to increase your bids or use bid plus, and I'll explain. Because of the competition, the bidding is, or getting the impression costs you higher. It will cost you more. Your competitor most probably will increase their bids. So you need to be prepared to have enough opportunities to get impressions. So either you can go directly to your Amazon Seller Central and update your bids on the campaigns, or you can use Bid Plus that will adjust it up to 50%. Or you can, another way to do it is to adjust the bids by the placement features. On the placement feature, you can decide if you want to bid on the top of the page or other areas of the page. So you also can update the bids over there up to, if I remember right, up to 900%. So you can also always use that, but you always need to check first what was the results from your campaign to see if it's good for your product. During the holiday season, because of the competition, you need to also understand what is the budget that you're willing to allocate for the campaign. Come with such type of strategy about your budget and your bidding. Okay, try to fully understand how much you're willing to spend in the holiday season, and most probably it will be effective for your product because the sales are increasing rapidly on the holiday season. Update your converting keyword. Check, I was mentioning it in the previous slide, and I want to focus on that this is one of the most important elements with PPC. Go and analyze the last quarter and the quarter before, which keywords were converting the best, and even try to set up a dedicated holiday campaign based on these keywords. So set up a dedicated campaign that related to these keywords, to the converting keywords. Set up a campaign that including some keywords that relates to the holiday season, Christmas gift, shopping, any type of holiday season phrases that you can use that most probably people will look for. And another thing that I do recommend is doing a product targeting campaign, what we call competitors campaign. You can get it when you're creating a new campaign. And over there, what you need to do is targeting your competitors. So there are a few ways in doing that. One way is letting the system offering you either category or specific competitors, or you go to your PPC reports and identify different competitor ASINs that you've been selling on them during the last quarter or the quarter before. And you go to the product targeting campaign and setting up this ASIN and define the different criteria within there. So briefly about PPC Winner. So the system will create and manage your campaigns. It's doing all the keyword research for you. It's generating it either from your history, it will go to your computation, it will go to Amazon data, and it will create a bank of keywords that the system will automatically start to optimize, and the system will adjust the budget between the different campaigns it's setting up. So it's doing the entire PPC for the Amazon seller. So what's your benefits? You don't need to learn advertising. You don't need to understand advertising. You don't need to know how to operate an advertising system. It will help you reducing your advertising costs. The algorithm is very sophisticated. You know how to adjust the biddings and get the right opportunities for you. It will increase your sales. It will help. It will generate more sales and revenue for you. You can see it on the slide on the bottom. Take some examples on the bottom. It also improves your organic ranking, and so it will generate more organic sales for you. The Amazon algorithm like PPC, and it helps you to improve your organic ranking. And of course, it will save you sometimes to invest in your business or to buy your own island. So I have a special offer for you guys today. Using the holiday coupon code, we'll get you 1 month subscription for PPC Winner for $24.95. You get 1 month free for Helium 10 for the people that familiar with Helium 10, and we help you setting up a product targeting campaigns for the holiday, and all of that in $24.95 and saving you $272. So you can sign up on ppcwinner.com. You can send an emails to our support. Once you validate the coupon code, send us an email, and one of our advertising experts will contact you to set up a call to help you setting up your product targeting campaign. Happy holidays.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Asaf. If anyone wants to try PPC Winner, you will find links below. Also, if you want to get in touch with PPC Winner, support@ppcwinner.com is the email. And thank you very much, Asaf, and good luck in your business. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, Augustus. It was a pleasure being here. Happy holidays for everybody, and increase your sales.
I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you would like to get notifications about new videos where we talk to different Amazon sellers, Amazon experts, industry leaders, as well as event organizers for Amazon sellers, don't forget to subscribe below to the YouTube channel of Orange Klik and click the notification bell as well, so that you get notified about new videos we create. Bye bye.